Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook Reels. So first thing first, click on three dots right here, then copy link. After that, just go to your browser. In a search bar, typing snapsave.app and click go. Then after that, just paste your video link right here and click download. So after that, scroll down and you'll see quality. Just choose that you need and click download right here. So after that, you'll see the window and click download right here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.